Hello, so let's see how can this work with PyCharm. Right click here, I have an empty project, let's start, let's call it cablebox.py. Great, so we can see the file and we can go hello. So we press Ctrl and R to see this running. Okay, so we can see hello, that's nice. So to start with, let's add the two variables for loading and saving, the two methods. Very easy. And then we go to add the Amazon get function. We can see here request is missing, so import requests on top. So I don't explain those that much here since I have done on the other video. Okay, so let's see if this runs. It should be empty. Yes, it's empty. Let's try to run this one. So we can see this error here, which is very interesting because it didn't used to be when I ran this. So let's try to do text.encode UTF-8. After googling this error message, we can see that this is a possible solution, and we rerun. Okay, so now it worked fine. Let's open results.html, see the output. Okay, this looks good. So now we can go back, comment the sound, and use the Amazon parse function. Amazon parse, as we can see, regular expression module not imported, so import re, regular expression, and we can see the number as we wanted. So probably the problem with the encode is because I use Python 2.7, you might not have to do this. So now we can do those two steps together. Good, we can see it all works, and actually we can run the entire script as I send it to you, cablebox.py, and we can see Amazon and Alibaba as output here. Okay, good. So let's try to see also as an extra what can we do if we want to use beautiful soup. So I will use the first one. No need to download, so I iterate quickly. So Amazon 60,000, and let's import beautiful soup. So the only thing we need to change is the Amazon parse function. Let's try to use the standard thing. So we initialize from text, and let's print soup. Okay, we can see some output here. So let's have a look here and see where the 60,000 is in. So we can see span with ID as result count. So this is easy by using the documentation of beautiful soup to retrieve. So if we search for ID, this is a very common thing. So you can do this soup find with ID as result count. So let's print this one and see what happens. So yes, it returns us all these nice span element. So exactly below that, get text to get the text only. Okay, and probably now we get back to finding out, extracting this number. So at this point it doesn't make much sense, to be honest. Probably the easiest way is just to use the existing regular expression. Yes, and we can see the output is as expected. Could I do it in some other way? Certainly I could, but it would be more complicated. One way would be, for example, to do a dot split here, so it will break this into elements. We can see here, and we need the 0, 1, 2, 3, so the third element after the split. Okay, and this is 60,000. And then we convert this with the replace as before, and then we turn this to an integer. Okay, and this is all we need at the end. So just to show this alternative by using beautiful soup and the split method, although it's not necessarily better in any aspect. So we can see the output is exactly as expected. So this is another way, and while using PyCharm to do all this work, and we can uncomment those. We can do the similar thing using Beautiful Soup for Alibaba as well. So I hope you find this useful and have fun.